highest level, there are two types of data sets that are shared by specialty pharmacies. Patient status data, which is basically the order management system, and it shows progression of the order from initial intake, from the point that a physician sends a prescription in, which is known as referral in the specialty pharmacy world, that kind of hits either a patient enrollment hub or a specialty pharmacy directly, and then the data collection portion of it. So all of these, it's kind of the upfront process that is needed in order for pharmacy or the hub to get started on processing that order. The processing time associated with that is a good indication of how effective is the hub or specialty pharmacy in making their outreaches to patient or prescriber to be able to get the necessary information from physician and from patient. Then that order progresses to what is called typically, benefits verification or benefits investigation. This is the step in which an initial query to understand what is the level of coverage that a patient has for that particular drug, and what are the requirements from the payer side to be met or satisfied in order for patient to get approved for the therapy. Once you do pass this, obviously you need to sort of understand what will be patient liability, right? Out of pocket, cost sharing, deductibles, all of those. And then how is patient going to manage that financial burden, and what kind of support he or she is going to need? So that has to be taken care of. That generally provides manufacturer insights around patient behavior, provides insights around how different managed care plans are, controlling therapy. What is the average timelines for patient to get approved on therapies? It provides manufacturers with an understanding of, at a plan level, what is the managed care control or resistance. And the important aspect of it is, as you kind of look at patient inventories across the steps progression, and you can see the drop-offs, how many patients actually enroll versus how many get the actual shipment. The difference between the two is the leakage. And then you're able to drill down into that leakage and identify at what point you're losing all of these patients. And that is the function of specialty pharmacy data, because that allows you to build in an ecosystem of support, whether in form of reimbursement specialists, whether in form of patient co-pays, whether in form of, nurses that can, call and train patients. And then beyond this, you can look at the refill rates, which are obviously, also included in the dispense data, which is the second set of data that you get. So you can calculate medication possession ratios, you can calculate average duration retained on therapy.